Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit subscribe button. So today we're going to do a very short video. This is very easy. This is how you replace your license plate bolt that's dead on the license plate. So on top. So I just want to make this simple. So as you can see, I did all you need to remove this panel. All you need to do is just pull everything, just pull it out. You can use a flathead and get in here and just pull it out. The reason I did it, so I pulled this out already. The reason I don't want to get it down, because of this right here. This is the emergency release, tongue release, because I put a aftermarket power lift gate. So that's why they have this emergency release wire that I kind of put right here. So that's the reason why I cannot take this whole piece off, but you can take it off. As you can see, it's pretty easy. So it's just clip, just pull it down. And what you need is a 187 bolt that you can buy from Amazon. I can link this on my video description so for you to see in case you need it. So now, make your life a lot easier, you need this 16 millimeter socket, and let me show you why. Okay, so as you can see right here, there's a clip all around. As you can see, all clip. The reason I got it hang here because of the cable, but basically everything is a clip all around. So all you do is yank it down and you should get it out. Now the next thing you want to do is, let me get this off. Okay, next thing you want to do is trying to get this bolt right here. As you can see right here, you can see it's right here. See, this is one socket for one the bolt, and this the other one, right? As you can see, that's for your license plate bolt. So you know, it's very limited space right here to get it in, and trying to do the counter clockwise twist to get it out. So that's where the 16 millimeter sockets coming in. So it's easy. All you need to do is put that in there. It fit, and when it's in there, all you need to do is twist it. It's a lot easier. See, it came out. So instead of, you have, even me, I have a small finger, I still cannot reach in there and try and twist it. It's just a little difficult. So what you do is twist it, come out. See how easy that is? Okay, let me try and do the other side. So 16 millimeter, okay? 16 millimeter socket, that's your thing. You need that to get those things out easier, okay? So all you need to put it in there, as you can see, and twist it. See, and it should come out a lot easier than using your finger if you don't have, because it's all the way in there, you don't have the leverage. So you can see. Now I will go ahead. Oh yeah, there you go. Now all you need to do is just pull this out. Hope I can do one hand. Oh, okay, all you need to do is just pull that out. Right there. So you got one, as you can see. Let me see the bolt. Go inside. See, this one is broke already. So let me see what's the number in here. 12 W5W 15Z and the part number is 2J5. It's at 15Z. Anyways, there it is. So you put that down. I'm trying to pull the other one on this side. It's ready to come out. It's even have a label right here. It says 17. Something else. So there you go. Now pull this out. So hard to do with just one hand because this thing is so slippery. Oh, give me a second here. Okay, now we can take this out a lot easier with two hands. Pull this thing out. There you go. Not a success. Not a success. So it's right here. Now we're just gonna put a new one in. Well, the new one is LED, so it should be better. Right. And there you go. One. Same thing with the other side. Let me do this on the other side. As you can see, it's right here. There you go. On the other side. Okay. Now let me go in and turn on the engine and see if it's lit. Okay, so give me a second. All right, as you can see, both of them lit up. This one lit up, the other one lit up. That means all good. Let's see. So we'll go ahead and turn off the engine, and then we're gonna put that back in. Okay, sorry about that. So now we got this plug in already. We tested and it worked. Now all you need to do is just plug it back. Yeah, basically. There you go. You got it inside. And as I say, trying to get it in with your hand. And if it doesn't work, remember the 16 millimeter socket is your best friend. All right. So now we're gonna plug this in, and just go clockwise to get in, and make sure it's secure by tucking it so everything look good. Now everything's in. Everything's good, as you can see. Now just clean up all your mess, and now, as I can say, we have all this clip that you can just pop back in. Like I said, just go ahead and pop it all around. Pop it all around, and you should be good. So remember, when you pull this out, remember there's a there's a hook right there, one, and there's another one on the other side. So make sure when you pull it out, you pull on the side first, and then you pull on the top instead of pull on the back, because if you pull on the back, you're gonna break those hooks right there, as you can see. And surely you do not want to do that. So give me a second, let me pop everything back, and you should be good. All right, you got everything is in. Everything looked good. All the clip went in. Make sure you be careful with this thing. If you do it too much, and if your car is old, some of the clip might be broken, so make sure you're prepared to have a new one. Okay, let me let this down. Went down good. So that's it for this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.